Hello everyone and welcome to this gentle intermediate flow. We're going to get right into the movement today, so begin in a forward fold at the back of your mat. From here, interlace the fingers and begin to add a couple wrist rolls, finding a gentle hamstring stretch as you do this. Good. From here, fold all the way down, allow the tops of the hands to rest on the mat. Gentle stretch for the top of the wrist. Then from here, grab both arms, bend in the elbows, rock side to side. Keep a gentle bend in the knees and maybe experiment with extending the legs as you drift towards them. Good. From here, walk it forward to plank. And we're gonna walk right back, forward fold. Walk back forward, plank, and back to your fold. Walk it forward, holding steady, walk it back. Last one, walk it forward, and this time hold. Keep that core engaged. From here, we're gonna lift the right leg and tap it on either side of the left heel or to the back of the left heel. Last one, and swap sides. Left foot taps to the back of the right heel or to the other side. Good, back to the middle, lower onto the stomach. Inhale to lift. Just use the back muscles, baby cobra. And exhale, downward dog. Couple more, inhale forwards, exhale down. Inhale, lift for baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, roll forward. This time maybe lowering without the knees. And inhale for a full cobra if your back feels ready. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, roll forward. Again, chaturanga this time. Find that cobra. And then your downward dog. Take a breath. Next, inhale, lift the right leg up, three-legged dog. Exhale, tuck it in, tap knee to nose, and extend it back up. And step all the way forward. Lower the left knee to the mat. Hold your low lunge for a brief moment. Taking a deep sip of air and lifting up. On the next exhale, twist towards the right hand to left leg, left arm reaches upwards. Good, exhale, windmill it down, extend the right leg. Right arm can be wherever is comfortable, and if you want to kick this up a notch, bring both hands over the right leg and gently tilt the right toes to the right. Finding the stretch along the right side of the leg. From here, bring it back forwards, rebend the right leg, and either find your plank or your one-legged chaturanga. Lower to the mat, inhale to lift, upward dog this time, and exhale, downward dog. Inhale, float the left leg up. Exhale, tuck it in, knee to nose. Inhale to kick that leg all the way back up, and exhale, step it forward. Find low lunge for a moment. Then next inhale, we're going to float upwards. On the exhale, we're going to find a twist. Left arm to right leg, or right arm reaches up. Exhale, bring the hands back down, extend the left leg. Again, to increase the stretch here, bring both hands on the left side of the left leg and tilt the left toes out. bring it back forward, one-legged chaturanga or plank if you prefer. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Take a moment, 2 or 3 deep breaths here. Inhale, roll forward to plank. And exhale, bring the knees down, find child's pose. Palms face upwards today. One more deep breath. And roll back forward to your downward dog, hips up. From here, finding side plank, left arm down, right arm up. Option to float that right leg. And then also an option to experiment and tap the toes. Lifting the leg, tapping the toes. See if your balance holds. Good. From here, try and step all the way forward. If this doesn't work, head to your downward dog, 3-legged dog, and then step forward. From here, lifting all the way up, high lunge, placing hands on the hips. Take a breath. And exhale, lower the left knee to the ground, extend the right leg, keep the hands on the hips. Then left hand comes down, inhale, rebend the right leg and fish with the right hand for the left foot. Go ahead and release, extend the right leg into pyramid pose. Keep on the toes at the back, not letting the heel drop. Pull the right hip back, left hip forward. And from here, we're going to try and use a little momentum and work on our balance. Step all the way forward, hook the left ankle over the right knee, bend in that right knee as well, and lift the chest, figure 4C. From here, standing up tall, trying to keep our balance. Option 1 is grabbing under the left shin, and then gently bringing that left knee closer to your body and further away. Option 2 is grabbing onto the big toe, adding that same movement in, and then maybe finding a full extended leg for hand to big toe pose. If you're struggling to find balance here, then using a wall can help a lot. And don't worry if that left leg isn't fully extended. Good. From here, step that left leg all the way back to a plank position. Then right leg can either float or enter plank as well. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. Exhale, downward dog. From here, we're going to take it all to the other side. Right hand down. Left leg lifts if you'd like. Left arm up. And maybe play around with those toe taps. Good. Left hand down, step the left leg all the way forward. Inhale to rise up, finding your high lunge, hands on the hips. One more breath. On the exhale, bring the hands down, right knee down, extend the left leg. Inhale, shoot forward, left hand to right foot. Pull it in for the quad stretch. One more breath. On the next inhale, lift that back knee, and exhale, extending the left leg, find pyramid. From here, lifting all the way into that seated figure 4. Float that right leg over the left thigh, bend the left knee, lift the chest. Inhale, lifting up, either grabbing underneath the right knee and opening and closing, or using the toe. Maybe finding the full extend. Good, keep holding. And lower. Nice job. Hands come down. Option for a one-legged chaturanga. Inhale to lift. And on the exhale, find child's pose this time. Allow yourself a couple of calming, slow breaths. Check in with the body. Check where the mind is at. And return to your breath. Inhale, lift up, extend the right leg to the right. Keep that left leg tucked in. Right hand either on the ground or right forearm on the ground. Left arm reaches over. Find an inner thigh stretch. Come back to the middle, other side. Good, bring it back through the middle. Extend both legs out in front. And finally, a seated forward fold. Our last pose for today. So take some deep breaths. You can stay here as long as you like. And you're welcome to enter Shavasana after. If you're ready to finish, lift back up, palms together, and add a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you for the next one.